Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to get stars in Among Us. Now, in order for us to get this done, I just want to inform you guys that this is the only way in order for us to be able to buy stars here in Among Us. And to get that done, you just go ahead and basically open the shop. So you have the shop right here. I'm going to go ahead and click that one. Oops, let's go back. And then from here, what you're going to do is head over here. You can click that one, and here are the stars. So there are the star bundles here. The amount of stars that you are going to get at the price that they are selling it for. So yep, in order for us to get stars, you have to buy it. So the cheapest one is going to be this one right here. I can click that one. So this is 20 stars at $1.99. If I want to get this one, I can just go over and hit this one right here, and as you can see, it is going to redirect me to my Google Play Store in order for me to pay this one. So I have this particular payment method here, and I can just go ahead and hit continue in order for me to confirm this one. And still the same thing, if you want to go ahead and purchase another bundle, say for example this one right here, just go ahead and click this, and then you will be redirected to your Google Play Store, and you can go ahead and buy it here using the appropriate payment method that you have selected or you have put here. Now I'm going to go ahead and close this one, and congratulations everybody, now you know how to get stars in Among Us.